it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. So do you guys have a cup of coffee or tea? Well, it might be really hot where you are, so you might be drinking something cool. I drink coffee on hot days. I know some of you do too because you've told me that. So this is just, I don't know what kind of coffee, just store-bought coffee. And I have a little bit of sugar and some milk in here. All right, that's my second cup today. I usually have 2 cups of caffeine in the morning and it's 5 after 12 right now. And then I have a cup of decaffeinated later in the day. Just how I roll. All right, so I showed you guys a WIP the other day. It's a design by Brianna Sip. I'm gonna link her tutorial below, but the lovely butler showed pictures on my Facebook group of one that she made, and it's a skirt. Actually, there were a few. There was an adult one and then 2 children's skirts, and beautiful. So I'm like, oh, I have to make that. Anyway, so I have I have a tutorial that's similar. It's an older one, but anyway. So Brianna Sip did this skirt, and yeah, so I started it. So I showed it to you as a WIP, and I showed in the video that I had taken a Mandala cake totally apart and separate all the colors, and then I would just reach in and grab a color, eyes closed, and that would be my next color I would use in the skirt, right? So, well, okay, I was making the skirt the way Brianna made it, or Brianna, I'm sorry, I don't know exact pronunciation, but she was making it so that the rows of color were horizontal, which there's nothing wrong with that. I got to a certain point where I put it up against me and I thought, oh, it makes my tummy look like I'm pregnant, and I've never been pregnant. And it made my rear end look kind of flat. I'm like, what? So I thought, well, I'll just turn it this way because it's made in the flat, but it was too long. I didn't want it that long. So what did I do? I frogged it, and then I rolled up the yarn in a cake in the exact way I had crocheted it with the colors and everything. Isn't that beautiful how that cake turned out? I wish I had a cake to show you, but the other one I had already separated the colors. I had 2 of them, and they are Mandala, and this was gifted to me by the lovely Cindy at Lulu's Treasure Trove, and I'll have her linked below. She's such a sweetheart. Hi, Cindy. All right, so it is Lion Brand Mandala, 150 grams, 590 yards, 100% acrylic. It's a lightweight 3, and this color is Sirens. Beautiful, right? And I didn't realize when I had taken the skirt apart that this is what the cake would look like. I think it's amazing, right? Anyway, so I was using 5mm. I don't know what they suggest. What did I say? I don't think I said. Oh, 5mm. So that's what I was using. So I frogged it and I started it again, but it's shorter because this is the way it's gonna be on me. It's gonna be vertical rather than the horizontal. So, and then I'm gonna do, I plan on it. You know, I don't always like showing WIPs because it changes like this one did. But I plan on doing some kind of border around the bottom and then something around the top to go around the waist, so that, because I want to make this skirt a little loose because it is Mandala and it is acrylic. So it's gonna be warm, right, in the summer. But I like to stitch because it's, you know, it's not that see-through, but you can wear shorts under the skirt. I kind of have an idea for a cotton skirt. Anyway. so that's what I'm doing, and so I just wanted to show you that. So if you guys want to make that pattern, you don't want the stripes to be horizontal, you can do it vertical. And I think it's going to, well, it will give it more of a slimming effect. When Butler showed the pictures of, I guess that was you in the pictures, right? It looked amazing on her. It absolutely looked amazing. She made it really long, and it looked amazing. It didn't make you look any different. I mean, it's probably just my own insecurities, maybe. It just, I didn't like the way it looked on me with the colors running, or the stripes running horizontally. Anyway, so now it's going to be vertical, and I am going to continue working on this. I'm also working, and I'll show it to you when it's complete. I'm also working on a tutorial, and yeah, that kind of started out, I was on a live, okay? I was on a live with Robin at Roaming with Rover. That was so much fun, Robin. Thank you for that. And I had shown it, the start of it, in that live, and I said maybe it might be a beach cover-up, and I guess it still could be, or it might be just a top, but you could make it longer for it to be a beach cover-up. So, you know, I don't know. When I'm designing, sometimes things don't turn out the way I thought they would, you know, or the way I imagined it. Just as you're going along, it's like, oh, you get these other ideas and things. But anyway, so I'll have a tutorial. That's not going to be for a while, though. Christmas in July Fairies is still going on until it ends Friday, and I think people are going to start putting up their semi-finalist winners on Friday. I forgot to mention to you guys when I put up that video that my semi-finalist is going to get a gift from me. I forgot to mention that in the video. And then your name gets sent off to Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, and then she will draw as grand prize winner on what date? The end of July. Sometime. But anyway, oh, there's just so much going on, so much in the Yarny community, so much in my house. So what else is there? Oh, there's just tons of things. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. And yeah, this is gonna be vertical. All right, thank you guys. I really appreciate your being here and watching my videos, and I just appreciate all of you. My goodness, I've had so many new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I really appreciate you guys. You have no clue, no clue. I am just grateful, and I feel the love, you guys. I feel the love, and I'm gonna cry, so I'm gonna go. All right, God bless you all. Thanks. Bye.